To install the 2.5-inch drive backplane, align the bottom of the backplane with the slots on the bottom of the chassis, and align the holes in the backplane with the mounting pins on the chassis. Then press the backplane into position. Ensure that the release tabs have secured the backplane in place. Connect these specific cables to their corresponding connections on the backplane. Reinstall the drives and drive fillers. Note the orientation of the system fan cage. Align the left and right posts on the sides of the cage with the corresponding mounting slots in the chassis. Then lower the system fan cage straight down into the chassis. Rotate and lower the system fan cage levers toward the front of the server to secure the cage. If you have installed system fans into the system fan cage, ensure that the system fans are connected to the corresponding system fan connectors on the system board. Ensure that the airflow symbols all point toward the rear of the server. Install the chassis air baffle. Align the chassis air baffle with the slots on the sides of the chassis and lower it into the server. Slightly press on the chassis air baffle and make sure it is fully secured. Before you install the top cover, ensure that all components are installed and seated correctly. Lower the top cover onto the chassis. Ensure that the top cover release latch is in the open position. Ensure that the mounting posts of the cover engage the guides on both sides of the chassis. Pivot the cover latch down and ensure that all clips are engaged. Use a Phillips head or standard screwdriver to turn the cover lock clockwise to the locked position.